The Prime Minister of Ukraine is the head of government of Ukraine. The Prime Minister presides over the Cabinet of Ministers of Ukraine, which is the highest body of the executive branch of the Ukrainian government. The position replaced the Soviet post of Chairman of the Council of Ministers of the Ukrainian SSR, which was established on March 25, 1946. Since Ukrainian independence from the Soviet Union in 1991, there have been 16 prime ministers, or 20, counting acting prime ministers. Yulia Tymoshenko was the first woman appointed as prime minister in the history of Ukraine. Arseniy Yatsenyuk was the first prime minister who came from western Ukraine. 2 prime ministers were born in the Russian SFSR. The current prime minister is Denis Shmyhal, who was sworn in on 4 March 2020 following the resignation of Alexei Honcharuk. The prime minister is appointed by the president with the consent of the Verkhovna Rada. The consent is deemed granted by the parliament when a simple majority of its constitutional membership votes in favor of the candidate nominated by the president. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.